Andito tayo ngayon sa Tomorrowland kasi pupunta kami sa Linao Cave. You're swimming in the cave, hey? Yeah. Oh, your angry face. Is that an angry face? Ayan. So we're gonna go swimming in...
Yeah, we have to cross the water. It's about maybe 10 to 15 feet, the water.
Deep?
Because I don't know now if the high tide, yeah, the lagoon. Because
Matapog kita itong lagoon.
oh, matapog kita.
Swimming.
Oh, wala pa tong gamit.
Well, yeah, we'll just hold the body head.
Okay, yung mga gamit, kami na lang yung bahala.
This is gonna be cool. This is an adventure. So, kung gusto niyo pumunta dito sa Linao Cave, you've got to come here to Tomorrowland. Okay, just search Tomorrowland on Google Maps. It shows up. Come here, and then this is where the tour guide office is. So you walk through a bush like this, like we are right now. It's about a 15-minute trek to get to the cave, and kailangan kayo maglangoy through a lagoon, diba? So it's an adventure. Oh, here comes Nitro! Oh, show me your life jacket. Look, you got a fin. See, you got a shark fin on the back. See, look, woohoo! All right. Kuya, dadam wit ma nakadi. Dadam maliwat.
Weekend.
Every weekend. Okay, mga weekday waray masyado ano. Muna. But I'll pick you up because the trek has lots of sticks and logs and stuff over it. Yeah, you'll trip over. Madapak ka. Madapak ka. Rainforest in here. It's a little bit cooler in here. Yeah.
Copy the cow.
Hey, you copied the cow. Hey, that's so funny. Okay, there's the entrance to the cave, Nitro. Can you see it? We're gonna go inside there, Nitro. We're gonna go inside the cave. Are there monsters in there? We fight them? Yeah.
This is a shark.
Oh yeah, you're a shark man. Hey, you can fight them. You're a shark boy. Hey. Okay. All right, let's go down, Nitro. All right, here come Grandma and Grandpa down the big slope. Mummy's made it to the bottom. And so it's baby Nitro. Oh, we're going into the cave. Oh, that's a creepy looking cave. Look at that. Freaking hell. Oh, Nitro, we're in the cave now. Woo.
It's so scary.
So scary. Look, there's water down there. Oh, it's so cool, isn't it?
I'm scared.
Are you scared? There's no monsters in here. It's just you and Daddy and Grandma, Grandpa and Mummy and the kuya.
So there's a booty there.
Okay, buddy. Here we are, Linao Cave. Oh, ho, ho, ho. It's pretty dark, isn't it? Nitro, you want to go swimming?
You're very brave, Nitro.
Yeah. You want to go swimming? Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so cool. Linao Cave.
It's a real adventure. Yeah.
Yeah, it is an adventure.
Grabe ang linaw ng tubig. Marami. Ganito yung itsura niya. Oh. Nandun yung iba. Palabas na sila. Ito kami.
Hey guys, welcome to Linao Cave. Look how clear it is. Malinaw talaga. It's about 15 feet deep. Very deep. But damn, it is beautiful. It's super cold and that's great kasi init sa labas. So this is super refreshing.
Ito yung itsura dito. Sa taas. Wow, so pretty.
Look at that, Nitro. Look. What are they? Are they balls?
I want the ball.
Yeah, you want to play with the balls?
Get the ball.
Grabe. Yeah, I got him. I got him. Wow.
There's balls.
Yeah. All right, keep going. Where he's going? Over that side. I think we're going there to swim. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. You can see the cave floor. Woo. We are sitting in a giant dome. See?
Yes, that's a tiny fish. Yeah, it's like
Wow.
aquarium.
Beautiful. It's an nature's aquarium.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Better than the one we saw in Vanuatu.
Oh, really? Yeah, there you go. Philippines 1, Vanuatu 0.
Yeah.
Grandpa Shark, did Grandpa Shark.
Yeah, the baby shark. Wow. It's called the baby shark. He wants to go to the balls, Grandpa.
You want to go to the balls? Come over here.
There's a little passageway there. It's,
Yeah, that's what I was talking before. I said it goes in about 2 meters.
okay.
Somebody.
Whoa! Look at this place. This is magical.
That's what.
Sabi ng nanay ko, pag may lugar na kagaya nito sa Australia, punong-puno siya ng mga tourist. Dito sa Pilipinas, maraming mga hidden gems, no? Hindi ko nakita na ina-advertise talaga to masyado. So,
Pinakamaganda na nakita ko, mas maganda siya kaysa sa Sohoton Cave.
yeah, this is much better than Sohoton Cave. Amazing. Linao Cave. Kalikoan Island, Samar, right at the bottom of Samar. This beautiful enchanted cave. May enchanted river sa Mindanao, may enchanted cave dito sa Samar. So Shanta is floating.
Mahusay, grabe. Nakikita ko yung ilalim. Ang ganda, sobra. May cave dun, oh.
So I'm gonna enjoy swimming here for a bit with everyone floating around like Mama Shanta and these balls that Nitro likes. And yeah, we spend 1 hour here and then head back to the hotel. Sobrang worth it to. Ano lang, para sa group namin, 600 pesos yung buong bayad namin. Super sulit, super worth it.
Sobrang ganda po dito. Punta po kayo. Po yung taas ng cave. Mataas po siya, sobra. Tapos, yung tubig. Tapos nakikita ko po sa ilalim, pag lumalangoy ka, tapos nakaganon ka, nakikita mo sa ilalim. May nakita ko parang kutsilyo or itak nandun sa ilalim. Sobrang ganda na. Sobrang relaxing. Yung tubig, malamig-lamig. Ganon. Punta na kayo dito, ganon.
Maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to, guys. And we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.